Hi, hello. This is Catherine. My second experiment, which is decision tree making. In this, I have to use decision tree algorithm, and then I have to analyze the difference in the outcome with and without pruning. The first, I have to choose my iris data and I just drag and drop it. Then, which I need is discretized by binning. I just drag and drop it, and the discretized by binning, which it is done as numerical attribute with number of bins accordingly to human requirements. The bins can be generated over here, and the bins can be changed. The decision tree is chosen. I just drag and drop it. The decision tree, structure that denotes root node and specific number of branches and root node accordingly. The main views of decision tree is classification, and the classification things can be easily done. Then I connect all this. In output of this experiment for pruning is it's a decision tree with pruning, and going back to the design phase for decision tree without pruning. In decision tree we have parameters which have apply pruning and apply pre-pruning. By default the check boxes are selected and I deselect this. Actually the pruning means is removing specific branches to benefit the whole tree. The removing pruning increases the depth of the tree, and I have removed it. See how it increases the size of the tree. Here the decision tree with largest size is shown over here, and it gives cases over here, and output of the cases ranges from range 1 minus infinity to 0.900, and it belongs to the class of Iris setosa, and else it ranges between range 2 0.900 to 1.700, and it goes to the next case and checks the range, and it goes to the next case, and this classes belongs to Iris versicolor. Similarly the third range belongs to the range of range 3 1.700 to infinity, and it checks the class of A3 and belongs to the class of Iris virginica. Totally we have three main classes in Iris data set: Iris setosa, Iris versicolor and Iris virginica. This is all about the experiment of decision tree classification with and without pruning. Thank you for listening.